In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up any controller on Steam in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to gaming or just looking to make your current setup a bit more versatile, connecting your controller to Steam can open up a whole new world of gaming experiences. So let's dive in and make sure your controller is ready to go. First off, you'll need to open your Steam app. If you haven't already installed Steam, simply head over to the Steam website, download the app, and follow the installation instructions. Once you've got Steam up and running on your computer, you need to log in. Look for the login button and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your account credentials, so be sure you have your account name and password ready. After entering your credentials, click on the sign in button. If you've forgotten your login details, there's an option to reset your password, so don't worry about being locked out. If all goes well, you'll be directed to your Steam homepage, which is the hub of your Steam experience. Now let's get your controller geared up. Go to the top left corner of the Steam app, click on the Steam menu, and then select Settings from the drop-down list. This is where you can customize various options according to your preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Controller tab on the side panel, click on it to open up the controller configuration options. This next step is crucial. You'll need to enable the type of controller you have. Steam typically supports most common controllers like Xbox, PlayStation and others, so make sure the right options are ticked in this section. With your preferred controller enabled, it's time to connect your device. You can either plug in your controller using a USB cable or connect it via Bluetooth if it's wireless. Once your controller is connected, you should see it recognized by your PC, but we're not quite done yet. For that perfect gaming experience, it's often a good idea to calibrate your controller settings. Calibration helps ensure that all buttons and joysticks are responsive and accurate. In the controller settings, you'll find options to calibrate various functions. Just follow the on-screen instructions to make necessary adjustments. And that's it. With your controller set up and calibrated, you're all set to jump into your favorite games with your controller in hand. This process should have taken just a few minutes, and now you're ready to enjoy a smoother, more immersive gaming experience on Steam. Remember, these settings can be revisited and adjusted as needed, so feel free to tweak them until it feels just right for you. Happy gaming!